Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you Tyrannobuilder's interface and a little bit of gameplay that I've created in it. Here is the project list screen. Over here we have the assorted options you have, kind of the interface proper. As you can see, there's lots and lots of options. Shows you what it is that they are when you hover over them. So you kind of have to dig around to find out exactly what they do. Over here we have assets I've uploaded, art, characters, music, and over here we have the assorted scenes that I've built. This is one of the scenes. An interesting thing to note here is this is the text box. I have dialogue going on in it between two people, but it goes into the same text box so long as it's not bringing up any actual pictures of people, which is a nice feature, I thought. Okay, I'm going to preview what I've done so far. Titles will screen. A video I found online. Check out the blog post to find out where I got it. Dialogue and music. Scene change. Introducing a new character. Here's a choice between options, which is kind of the heart and soul of what a visual novel does. And a stat went up, and I have a message to show that. That's all I actually have built so far in this, so we will go back to the title screen and quit. Well, that's about all I have for Tyrannobuilder, so I will see you next time when I talk about Virtual Novel Maker. Thanks.